The Kolkata rape case of a college student. NDTV has accessed the medical examination report and there are exclusive details on that report, and this report suggests and confirms that the assault of the victim, there were abrasion marks that were seen around the neck and over her breast. Reports also suggest that sexual assault cannot be ruled out. My colleague Shreshi Day gets us the details.
The fourth arrest has been made by the Kolkata police in the law student gang rape incident here in the city of Kolkata. The 55-year-old security guard who was pushed out of his room when this incident happened has been corroborated by the complainant's statement that has been recorded by the police. Of course, he is being produced before the court today for a police remand being sought by the Kolkata police that is currently investigating the case. In terms of the updates in the case so far, the police have collected forensic evidences from the spot. 3 swabs of the victim have been collected during the medico-legal examination that was conducted at National Medical College here in the city. That will be a crucial evidence in this case as well. The victim has alleged that she was dragged and pushed into the security guard's room before being gang raped. The 3 who have been arrested also videographed her while this heinous crime was being conducted inside the college premises in Koshba's South Calcutta Law College. And of course, the political heat now only escalating against the West Bengal government, where the BJP and the opposition parties like the left and the Congress are questioning the ruling government here in the state over the law and order condition and the safety and security of women, given the fact that just about a year ago, entire West Bengal was rocked by protests after the RG Kaur rape and murder incident.
Meanwhile, the politics has peaked in Kolkata after the rape of this college student. The BJP, it protested against the West Bengal government. In fact, the West Bengal BJP president, Sukanta Majumdar, he was also detained by the police. In fact, there was a scuffle that broke out between the police as well as the protesters. The BJP, it is now seeking a precedence rule in the state.
পুলিশ পুরো দমে মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের দলদাসে পরিণত হয়েছে এবং পুলিশ আমাদের কথা পর্যন্ত বলতে দিচ্ছে না। আমরা যে সামনে গেটে গিয়ে আমি আমার বক্তব্য আপনাদের সামনে বলবো, সেটা পর্যন্ত পুলিশ অ্যালাউ করছে না। পুলিশ আটকাচ্ছে, আটকে আমাদের সমস্ত কর্মী সমর্থকদেরকে অ্যারেস্ট করা হয়েছে। একটি গণতান্ত্রিক পদ্ধতিতে শান্তিপূর্ণ মিছিল, সেই মিছিলকে পর্যন্ত অ্যালাউ করছে না এই পুলিশ। একদম এদের মাথার উপরে অভিষেক বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়, মমতা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের হাত আছে। তাই এরা মনে করে যে মহিলাদের লক্ষ্মীর ভান্ডার দিচ্ছি মানে মহিলাদের সাথে শোয়া যায়।